Hi guys, welcome to this video where we're going to practice dividing polynomials by a monomial. And so the trick is, if you want to divide these polynomials by a monomial, you can separate these terms. All you have to know is if they give you 8n squared minus 36n all over, you hear the word all over 4n. That means this 4n belongs to 8n squared and it also belongs to this minus 36n. That's why they are putting everything over 4n. If you look at this example, it's the same thing. They're giving you 4x squared minus 8x. So this 8x belongs to all the terms in the numerator. All right, so if you remember the quotient rule, that's what we're going to apply. Another person can easily write this same thing as 8n squared divided by 4n minus 36n divided by 4n. Because the 4n belongs to both terms in the numerator, all the terms in the numerator. So 8 divided by 4 will give you a 2. And then if you remember quotient rule, if you're dividing indices of the same base, you simply subtract the exponents. So this will give you 2n minus 36 divided by 4 will give you a 9, yes? And then n will cancel, right? So you end up with 2n minus 9. Let's look at another example. So this is the same as writing 40x squared over 8x minus 8x over 8x. So here you deal with the constants alone and deal with the x's alone. So dividing 40 by 8 will give you 5. And then x to the second divided by x to the first will give you x. 8x will just cancel and you'll get 1. So 5x minus 1. All right, let's look at another example. And now the terms are becoming bigger, which is even more fun. Okay, so remember, if we divide this is the same as if you have 6a squared b divided by negative 2ab. So you see this minus and this minus will form a positive. So plus 12ab squared divided by 2ab. So in case you're wondering where this negative went, it resolved this other negative right there. So it became a positive. All right, so deal with the constants alone. 6 divided by negative 2, you're going to get a negative 3. This a will reduce this a to the second. Then you'll remain with a. The b's will cancel, right? Plus 12 divided by 2, you'll get a 6. This a will cancel with that a right there. And this b will reduce the b to the, and then you'll get b to the first, which is that. So, and then finally, if we look at this last example, if you separate this is the same as having 14x to the 6th, y to the 3rd, divided by negative 7, x to the 4th, y. So you see how this is a minus and this is a minus? This will form a positive. Because if you divide a negative with a negative, you get a positive. So 49x to the 5th, y to the 9, divided by 7x to the 4th, y. So after changing this to a positive, don't forget and put another negative there because it has already resolved this negative. All right, so let's deal with the constants alone. 14 divided by negative 7, you'll get a negative 2, x to the second. Remember, we're dealing with the constants alone. X is alone, y is alone, right, individually. Then y to the third divided by y to the first, you'll get y to the second. Then plus 49 divided by 7, you'll get a 7, x to the first, y to the 8th, and that will be your answer. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.